Hello friends, today we will discuss the most recent topic which came from the America. The name of topic is Civil War in America. Several hundred supporters of US President Mr. Donald Trump stormed the US Capitol building in Washington DC on Wednesday. The Capitol building houses the US Congress. The motive of the rampage was to stop the US Congress from ratifying the Electoral College vote. Once the US Congress ratifies the Electoral College vote, then Joe Biden will be declared as the official winner of the November 2020 presidential election of the USA. One woman was shot dead by the Capitol Police, and three other persons died from medical emergencies that arose due to the chaos. The main question is why has such a situation arisen? The USA is in danger of civil conflicts between the supporters of Trump and Biden. The main reason for the conflicts is hidden behind the difference in ideologies of Trump and Biden. One thing I want to make clear is that I do not support the violence in the USA, whether it happened in the Capitol building or during the Black Lives Matter protest in Minneapolis City by the radical leftists goons after the alleged death of George Floyd by the policeman in May 2020. Trump is the right wing leader, whereas Biden is a left wing leader. Trump is also popular as the white supremacist Christian leader among the white Christians of the whole world, whereas Biden is popular among the radical leftists. The ideologies of Trump and Biden are also reflected in their parties. The Republican Party is the right wing party, whereas Democratic Party is a left wing party. Trump's America First policy also made him popular as an American nationalist among the common Americans. But the elite corporate class of America is ideologically leftists. So they do not want to see Trump as the president of USA for the second time. Trump has been vocal against the radical Islam and radical left throughout his tenure as the president of USA. The countries like North Korea and China are the radical leftist countries, and that is why Trump has been against these countries. But the approach of Biden and his Democratic Party has been soft towards the radical Islam and radical left. The Trump has banned the entry visa into America for the citizens of several Muslim countries. Trump took a surprise move in December 2017 to recognize Jerusalem as the capital of Israel. By doing so, Trump reversed the 7 decades means 70 years old foreign policy of America for Israel in which Tel Aviv was recognized as the capital of Israel. Trump also shifted the embassy of the USA in Israel from Tel Aviv to Jerusalem. Many Muslim countries got angry with Trump due to this move, but Trump did not care them for the truth. This is seen as the master stroke of the Trump to stop the radical Islam because Palestine, with the support of the other Muslim countries, claims the Jerusalem as its capital. Trump also compelled the cruel dictator of North Korea, Mr. Kim Jong un, to come on the table of dialogue. Trump, with the partnership of Israel, has stopped the Islamic nation Iran from making the atom bomb. But after the arrival of Biden as the president of USA, it is possible that Iran will be successful to make the atom bomb. The relationship of Trump with India has been coherent. If the leader of such popularity loses the election, then there will definitely be doubt about the outcome of the election. If the doubt about the outcome of the election result is in the minds of a large section of the legitimate voters, then it is the constitutional duty of the judiciary to hear the petition about it and take the appropriate action if there is proof of rigging in the election or the counting. But the Supreme Judiciary of America has refused to hear the petition of Trump about the rigged election. The Judiciary of America has not performed its constitutional duty. If we compare Trump and Biden for who is better for India, then the answer will be Trump because the approach of Biden has been soft towards China and Pakistan. So, the hostility of China and Pakistan with India may increase after the crowning of Biden. Overall, what is happening in America today is the fight of ideologies, but violence cannot be the part of any ideology. Thanks. Your comments are welcome.